What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Aero Precision Builder Set. We're going to be showing you what's in the box that comes with it, as well as this will be the first video on the channel of a series putting this gun actually together. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. So as I stated, this is just the builder set. It comes in a box like this, a rather large box. And all it is just a flap open. So we'll get this guy open, and we picked this one up at Aim Surplus. They're in Ohio, down by Cincinnati. Awesome store. Definitely check out their website. Great prices, great products. So once you open the box, you can move the foam, and there we go. You have your parts for your builder set. So this was actually a Aim Surplus exclusive that they had. This it's almost like a smoke gray bluish camo. As you can see here, which I thought looks awesome. And I'm actually going to be putting a build playlist together. We're going to be building this one on the channel, so stay tuned for that. But with that, so what comes with it here? We have your lower receiver, as you can see, which looks awesome. The classic stamped Aero Precision one with the fire and safe logos on it. No third selector spot, though, just 1 and 2. And we'll set that aside. You also have your upper part here, and pretty nice. Does come with a dust cover, not the camo on it, but it's black, so at least it matches the forward assist here as well, which comes installed already, which is nice. So again, just kind of the same camo matched pattern with the dust cover installed. That's our upper part. And then we have our rail. This is for, I'm going to be building a 16-inch. So I believe this is a 15-inch rail, maybe a 14-inch rail. I'll have to double check. But yeah, there it is. The same matching camo. That'll go for the whole thing. Super light, by the way, as well. So that's awesome. And then also in the box, they have a little cubby up here with some parts. In this package, see, we have, this is our barrel nut that'll go on. So you have to buy the barrel separate, so but it does come with the barrel nut to put on, and then your gas tube will line up over that. So actually nice that it comes with the barrel nut there. And then also down in here we have, oh, this is for the rail then. Let's see, these are, yep, it's the screw and 2 parts for the rail here. So when you're ready to attach your rail to your firearm, you can see this groove here, and there's actually a little detent there as well. This screw will go in between, and then these 2 pieces will come together on the outside, like so. And then that's actually what holds your rail in place. So those 3 parts will be the final part to put your rail on. So just a heads up with that. And also, oh, this is a tool. Looks like, yep, it's the tool for that rail piece, so they give that to you. Looks like a size 15 Allen head, so nice that that comes with it. And lastly, and I think this is pretty nice, is it actually comes with the barrel nut wrench. So this is where you'll put your torque wrench on in this hole here, and again, this is the barrel nut, so it has the teeth here, it'll line up, and this is what you're going to torque down the barrel with. So pretty nice that it does come with this tool, because it's a different kind of style as far as these teeth here. It's not a standard barrel nut that you'd normally see, so it does come with that, so pretty nice. So with that, that's all it comes with. Pretty simple, but again, pretty awesome. If you have any questions about this, let me know. But like I said, we're going to be building this one on the channel here, so stay tuned for some videos. I'm going to be doing it in sections with the lower, the upper, the barrel, and then hopefully putting everything together, so stay tuned for that. But with that, have fun shooting, guys. Let me know if you have questions, and if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.